Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Chase credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.chase.com and press enter. You'll end up on the official webpage of Chase. To activate your credit card, you'll need to first log into your online account. Go ahead and enter your username in the first text box. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you've forgotten your credentials during logging in, click on Forgot Username/Password and follow through the on-screen prompts. Finally, click on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into your Chase.com account. Go to the Credit Cards tab and click on Activate. Follow the instructions till the end and provide your information in the text boxes to activate your credit card. That is how you'll be able to activate your Chase credit card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.